Hello, good morning, good day, good night to Star Wars fans all over the world. Let's watch TVC review only in Beno Arsanto's channel. Bro, this one, we're going to see the new TVC deluxe version. I think this is the first ever TVC of deluxe version. And it comes the Boba Fett in Tatooine. The highly anticipated figure of this year because the main character is the Boba Fett, the big badass bounty hunter all across the universe. And he is the Boba Fett played by Mr. Temuera Morrison. And I don't know, this is the first time we are going to have the deluxe package. The deluxe package consists of one single figure with some extra accessories or small accessories or weapons. And this time for the Boba Fett, he comes with the jetpack, the helmet, the gun, and also two miserable stormtrooper. Let's open this up and let's start from the side. We are seeing the portrait of Temuera Morrison. Let's just open this without any scissors. And this, okay, no scissors needed. And let's see the first figure ever, like as I mentioned before. And here are this comes the instruction sheet. Let's see, let's open this one, and nothingness in here. Then he only comes with just a brown box, not a box, this is a brown paper, kind of hard paper. And the figure itself you cannot see from the outside. The brown paper hold it firmly, so he's not going anywhere. And the accessories comes in this is oil paper or something like that. And we can just open this one and tear it apart. Let's tear this one, and we are getting to see the blaster of the Boba Fett, the gun and the pistol. And this is the most brilliant invention for the history of Boba Fett toys, because finally we're going to get the missile with the launcher effect, the fire effect. Actually, this one is different part, so but I cannot pop out, so let it be. Then this one is the gun, the pistol, the new pistol for Boba Fett, and this is his blaster. And let's open another part of this oil paper, and we are getting his jetpack, his thrust, fire effect. We can put it here. Whoa, it's not really clicking. Let's try. Okay, they have some mechanism to make it not easily pop out from the jetpack. Let's give extra power, and you can attach the missile into the jetpack like this. Sweet Jesus. And whoa, look at that stormtrooper, not the unlucky troopers. They have some scratch all over their helmet. This is the real scratch, not just paint. The helmet maybe get some damage from the blunt object. Is this a rusty or something? But the good thing they include the neck joint for the head, so you can pop it in the figures, the stormtrooper figures, to get the damage, bloody damaged head of the stormtrooper. And thank God the helmet is not replaceable with some head joint, so you can put it in the helmet into the head of the Mr. Morrison. But the con side is the pathfinder of the Boba Fett. You cannot turn it down to make it as a rangefinder to fire the missiles, because this is just a rubber, sculpted rubber without articulated rangefinder. And let's see through the main figure, the body of the Mr. Boba. So here it is, our most anticipated figure. And look at the head. This is the brand new sculpt for the face with the photorealistic technology. Look at the painting. The mouth is painted with the photorealistic, the eyebrows and the eyes as well. Even he got some healing scar with the painted, the white paint. And this shoulder is bendable, and you can move the arm with the ball jointed joint and ball jointed elbow and ball jointed wrist. You've got another ball jointed stomach, no ball jointed torso. And this is, I think this is the swivel hips, the swivel waist, and the G.I. Joe style ball joint tight and swivel tight. Also ball jointed knees, and finally the new rocker ankle for the brand new TVZ figure. This is the rubber holster for his gun, and you can put it in his holster. Let's see. And both of the hand is gripping hand, so you can grip any weapon freely and realistically with the finger trigger. And the jetpack, yeah, you can make him like flying. And also soft goods tunic for the Boba. You can put the helmet in. Sorry for the focus. And if you put the helmet in, you will cover the entire head, so the neck is covered with this small scarf. Quite good for the movie accurate Boba Fett. If you can mention dynamic duo in Star Wars universe, that must be Han Solo and Chewbacca in the past. But nowadays, here they are, the FENNEC San and the Boba Fett. By the way, hey guys, you know that my Instagram account got reposted by MING this FENNEC San. You can see on her official Instagram account. My Instagram is @arsantoys. So I'm so freaking happy with my account because once in my whole life some greatest actress is reposting my post. By the way guys, if you ever watch my another video from the previous on my playlist, I have some 3D figures, 3D printed of FENNEC San. You must know where all of the TVZ got their TVZ 5-point of articulation vintage style figures. Yeah, it's from the Desert Octopus. So I can replace her. Thank you for following me, following my photography, and I'm talking to her, by the way. Thank you for everything, but you are getting replaced. And also, I created this custom figure of Boba Fett back before I have him, so this one must go as well. And look at the helmet. Actually, this one come from, what was the name, or Eho or who, but they are definitely different figures, but the sculpted head is different, but both represent Mr. Temuera. But this one looks better in the movie accurate. But this one is also photorealistic figure, but he is still a clone trooper. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe me for the new DBZ figures. Okay, may the force be with you. This is Doi, and bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.